Hey, what's up you guys? It's Miss O here. In today's video, I want to create a video that will help you create videos proving that you have taken focused notes and you are organizing your Google Drive. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the Google Chrome. So go to Google and then search Screencastify. It's the first option. Now this is completely free. So once you get to Screencastify, you're going to see that there's a button and it mentions how you can record, edit, and share videos, and you can add it to your Chrome, and it is absolutely free. You're going to click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to take you to the Chrome Web Store. Make sure that you have your student email, your ECHS email, and then make sure that this is the correct Screencastify, and then you're just going to add it and confirm. So add it to your Chrome, then confirm. It'll say something like allow, I believe. And you just want to make sure that you are downloading the correct app. So then you'll see the Screencastify extension, and then once you click that X, it'll go away. So what we want to do is make it readily available. So we'll go to the little puzzle icon, and then there you'll see Screencastify, and then you want to press the little pin so it'll turn blue, and then you're able to see it on your extensions within Chrome. So now let's try to find our drive. Actually, we're going to set up Screencastify. Sign in to your Google account, so that is your school account. So step one is confirm that you want both of those options. You're going to click next, and then you're going to click allow. Make sure you use your school email because it is completely free. You have the unlimited version to make videos as long as you want. Okay, great. So now you can see Screencastify, and you are able to record your screen. So it says desktop. I can see your entire screen. That's what I want. And then if you would like to, you can turn on your web camera. If you don't have one, don't even worry about it. It's going to say microphone, and it's going to, you have to pick the microphone, and then from there, it'll start turning green if it can hear you. And then you can turn on your webcam. So I have a FaceTime camera, and then I can start pressing record. So you're going to see me in the corner. There I am. Hello. And then you're going to want to share your entire screen. So click the box, and then click OK. And then you're going to see 3, 2, 1, and you'll probably hear it as well. So now you're recording on Screencastify. What I want you to do now is go to the Google Drive. So it's in the waffle icon, the 9 dots. And then you're going to find all your apps. You're going to want to look for Drive. So Drive holds all our folders, and that's how we are keeping organized. So let's let that load. And then you'll see all my folders. So I'm letting that load, and I'm showing you I have several different folders there. So you can't hear me, but I'm saying, hi Miss O, these are my folders that I have organized within my drive. I have period 1, period 2, period 3, period 4, period 5, period 6, with all their labels from my schedule. So if I have period 1 math, I'm going to write that down. Make sure you do that. So whenever I'm ready to see it, I can give you a good grade. So that is one part, is setting up your folders. But making sure that you place your documents is another. So I'm going to demonstrate that. I'm clicking on my Avid second period class, and I'm going to my folder within a folder. I'm just showing you that I have organized my notes, and then I'm bringing up an example of what focus notes should look like. So focus notes should have the date, the period, your EQ, your notes, your questions, and a summary. You need to have that, because if you don't, then you're not truly processing your notes and studying them to the best of your ability. So that's what I was trying to show you. Technical difficulties. What's new? But I closed the picture of myself because I no longer want to show my face. I want to show you more of my notes. But as you can see, for each page, I have questions, summary. So for each page, you have to have that. So you won't spend as much time reading it whenever you are studying your notes, or just simply looking back at a later time. So that is my organized folders. And then I am actually, you need to make sure that you do this. Hover over your picture, or it'll start with the first letter of your name in that corner. Make sure I can see your ECISD email as well as your name, like you saw whenever I hovered over my picture. I need to confirm. So at this point, you're probably already done showing me your drive. My video was about 3 minutes. Now I can stop the video, and now I'm going to edit the title. So Screencastify is going to take you to another tab, and then it's going to show you what you recorded. And then I'm just renaming it here. I put Avid Google Drive Organization because that's what I want Miss O to grade. So yeah, I'm just editing the name, and then I'm waiting for Google Drive to save this. So the red is it has already completed saving so much of the video, and then the white is it still needs this much to fully save. All right, never, and I repeat, never press copy shareable link. I used to do that with you guys, and you guys couldn't see the videos. So what you're going to do is wait till this video saves to your Google Drive, and then you're going to see the share option. So you see share to classroom, publish to YouTube, get embedded code, and then send in an email. That's what you want to click once your Google Drive once your video has uploaded to Google Drive. So boom, it's already saved. I can easily access in case I lose it. But you want to press send an email, and then it's going to compose an email, and you're going to want to put to, and you're going to put my name, my first dot last name, Catherine, CATHERINE dot Onofre, ONOFRE. There I am showing you exactly how to spell my name, so you can pause the video. And then I'm going to change the subject. So it says Screencastify video, but you want to add Google Drive organization or focus notes. If you want to add both, make sure you have 2 to 3 sets of notes that you are showing me so I can give you a good grade. And then all you have to do is press send because I have the link, and then I will be able to see your video. It's that easy. It's going to take a little bit of time, but call me and let's talk about how we can make this work. You can always email me as well. I hope this video helps. Make sure to get your notes in by Friday, September 4th, and then make sure you show me your Google Drive by the 8th. If you want to combine it, that works for me. Just let me know. All right, bye guys.